and 90 at State College. Once again, at 3 p.m. at the Philadelphia International Airport, it was 74 degrees with thunder. The report from Wilmington was not available. The flash flood warning remains in effect until 5:15 p.m. for northwestern Camden, northwestern Burlington, southeastern Montgomery, southeastern Bucks, Philadelphia, and northeastern Delaware counties. At 2:42 p.m., law enforcement reported heavy rain continuing in the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Law enforcement reports several water rescues in the northern Philadelphia area and adjacent portions of Montgomery and Bucks counties. Frankfort Creek has reached moderate flood stage. This is a very dangerous situation. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source, law enforcement. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that could experience flooding include Philadelphia, Camden, Ben Salem, Mount Laurel, Willingboro, Lumberton, Florence, Yemen, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, Conshohocken, Palmyra, Jenkintown, Narberth, East Lansdowne, Beverly, Rockledge, and Tullytown. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. Turn around.
Severe thunderstorm warning! Oh wait, I don't know what it is. I think it's a severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:52 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Royersford to Valley Forge to Conshohocken, moving southeast at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Norristown, Pottstown, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Conshohocken, Antler, Collegeville, Royersford, Jenkintown, Narberth, Trapp, East Lansdowne, Rockledge, Morris Park, Hutown, Bryn Mawr, Child Lake, and Radnor Township. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 313 and 339. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 26. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 327 and 341. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 6 and 19. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: the flash flood warning remains in effect until 5:15 p.m.